In this quick guide, I will show how to buy shares of CRITEO SA-SPON ADR, the adtech company focused on e-commerce personalization, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CRTO. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CRTO to locate the company listing. Select the result that matches CRITEO SA-SPON ADR to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movement and basic information. Double-check the name and ticker to confirm this is CRITEO SA-SPON ADR, CRTO. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed or recorded as pending. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow these steps. This is an educational walkthrough.